Well, better late than never, they say. Nice! Well, the show finally got on. Now let's see what we're gonna catch tonight. Like that! She's doing a little bit of teasing up close. Nice! Ooh, I think I got that one. Whoa! Ooh, I think I saw something there. All right. There we go. All right. Ooh. You know what, let's back it, do a little bit of a panorama around here so that way you can see how crazy it is. Going up. Yeah, a major part of a cell has just hit us. Or is going to be going to very shortly. And look at all those flashes. Can't see any decent protruding bolts, but that can tell you that this thing is going to be intense in rain, to say the least. Whoa. Wonder if you saw that one was trying to reach over the top. Could even hear it too. But we got more protruding bolts. Whoa. Right in the thick of it. Oh. And here comes the rain. Well, at least we got a few protruding bolts to start and showed you how intense the storm is. Time to bail for a bit. Ooh, I think I managed to start off big. Ooh, got a little bit of something there. Woo, got something there. Then again, there we go. missed that one. Whew. Yeah, but things gotten really wet. The rain's starting to go down now. Man. Whoa, that flash was right on top. The wind's getting crazy again. Some luck. Seems to me there's some big bolts happening over to the southeast part of the cell. Managed to find some form of shelter. So I can't really look up. I can't get close. I mean, look at the rain bars.